Hello, Namaste. I am Indu. I am going to present a paper, and the topic is on exploring cyber intelligence alternative for countering cybercrime. Abstract. In this paper, a case study of cybercrime is presented in the context of JNTU-JSC website. CERT is identified as the organization relevant to handling this kind of cybercrime. This paper is an attempt to find and do away with the lacunae in the prevailing orders laws and the IT Act 1000 and the related amendment of Act 2008, such that law takes cognizance of all kinds of cybercrimes perpetrated against individuals, societies, nations. Coming to the introduction part, Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary defines intelligence as the ability to learn, understand, and think in a logical way about things. Intelligence is computable as IQ by using the formula mental age divided by chronological age into 100 is equal to IQ. AI is a study how to make computers do things which at the moment people do better. WI is the area of internet based study and research of applications of AI and IT in order to create the next generation of products, services, and frameworks. Now the rest of the paper is organized as follows. In the next section we present the characteristics of features, cybercrime, cyber forensics. In a case study of cybercrime is presented in section 4, third certain. Coming to the cybercrime and forensics. Cybercrime is defined as any offense that is committed against individuals or groups of individuals with a criminal motive to intentionally harm the reputation of the victim or cause physical or mental harm to the physical victim directly or indirectly using modern telecommunication networks such as internet and mobile phones. Such crimes could be threat to the nation's security and financial health. Further, cracking copyright infringement, child pornography, and child grooming, privacy problems owing to the lawful or unlawful laws, and interception of confidential information or some high profile issues related to the cybercrime. Now, coming to the cybercrime perpetrated against this nation, and this is the case study. A State Emblem of India Act 2005, an act of Parliament of India enacted for regulation of commercial and proper usage of Emblem of India. The Emblem of India is an adoption of lion, capital of Ashoka at Sarnath, and the provisions and usage with respect to Emblem of India are below, and the provisions are: no person can use the emblem or any colorable imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that it is associated with an official document of the central government or state government, as the case may be, without taking permission of the appropriate government. Registration of intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. The central government has the power to regulate and make rules for proper usage of emblem. No person can use the emblem for commercial purpose or as an part of patent title, trademark, or design except in cases as specified by the central government. Coming to now commercial usage of the emblem is punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months, which may extend to 2 years, and with fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees. Now commercial usage of the usage. The official seal shall have the emblem enclosed in an oval or a round frame with the name of the ministry or department written within the frame. State government can use the emblem or part of it after taking permission from the central government. Emblem cannot be used by former functionaries of the government, commissioner of committee, public sector undertaking, bank, municipal council, panchayat raj institution, parishad, non-government organization, university. The State Emblem of India Rules 2007 lays down the person who can use the emblem in official stationery, cards, etc. Now coming to the Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT. It refers to the team of experts at as well as the registered service mark of Carnegie Mellon University. It is licensed to other teams around the world. It handles computer society incidents rather than other tech support. It plays a key role in the elimination of malware and computer worms on the internet. Now coming to the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, CANN. Coordinates the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority IANA functions which are key technical services critical to the continued operations of the Internet's underlying address book. The domain name system DNS. The IANA functions include the coordination of the assignment of technical protocol parameters, including the management of the address and routing parameter area. Top level domain. Next, the admission of certain responsibilities associated with Internet DNS root zone management, such as generic and country report. Top level domains. Next point, the allocation of internet numbering resources, and the fourth point, other services. ICANN performs the IANA functions under US government. Now, a RIPE NCC is one of the five regional internet registers providing internet resource allocations, registration services, and coordinate activities that support the operation of the internet globally. Now, coming to the cyber laws versus Indian context. Cyber law or internet law is a term that encapsulates the legal issues related to the use of internet. Its domain covers many areas of law and regulation. The sub-areas include internet and access and usage, privacy, freedom of expression, and jurisdiction. Cyber laws provide legal recognition to e-documents. Under the IT Act 2000, a cybersecurity strategy was outlined by Department of Electronics and IT, Government of India. It addresses the strategic objectives for securing countries' cyberspace, has taken up major initiatives for implementation. Now, coming to the conclusion part, there have come up many new semantics of intelligence in the context of advantages in the field of ICTs. This paper has explored cyber intelligence and cybercrime by reporting a case study approach. The example of JNTUH website could mean that the clues evidence of cybercrime could be difficult to capture for general forensics experts. It is presented that the usage of the state emblem of India in a website in a way that is prohibited by the State Emblem of India Act 2005 is a cybercrime perpetrated against India by an organization group known as JNTUH Act, which culprit group commit a cognizable crime.